Assalamualaikum. Hi guys, my name is Ismail and you're watching Chekmael Fleece. So today is the continuation of building my dream man's closet. A lot of things happened prior to this. What's new? My computer started to make problems. I cannot like transfer the videos that I've recorded. My card reader doesn't read. I lost the OTG on my phone. My hard disk doesn't read. I'm like, oh my god, what's going on? Astaghfirullahaladzim. Anyway, so the show must go on. I want to show you this dream of mine, building my dream man's closet. I'm recording on my smartphone here, so inshallah everything will turn out fine. So without further ado, let's go. Okay guys, this is the damage that's been done since I've last recorded. I've actually packed all my clothes and then you can see wow, Alhamdulillah, I actually managed to, can you hear the echo? I managed to like clear all these clothes. It took me like, I realized that you cannot just specify a day to actually do all this. You must do it bit by bit, and then this is the end result. One thing that I can at least decorate here is this niche that I have here in my room. I decided to put these small little vases here. I think it looks nice. It's very minimal and well, it's empty. It's not minimal. Stop it, okay? Anyway, so this is the room that leads to the dream man's closet. Yes, I managed to build my cupboard here, this hemness cupboard. It is a lot of work, okay? If you need to pay someone to do it. Pay the person. But I save a lot of money, so alhamdulillah. And then let me just show you what's been done. It's still in a mess. I put all the clothes here. I took a picture and showed my friends, and they said, Ismail, arrange it by color, dummy. Like, it's so messy, but it's actually what I wanted. I wanted it to like be this kind of format, which is I want all my clothes hang on the top and at the bottom here. So now I'm actually building the balance of this, what do you call this thing? This apa ni? This wardrobe lah. I'm going to add in more shelves. I want to make sure that it's all balanced out. So I have like 3 more shelves to build in. So let me show you how I do it. So the way that I decided to space out this shelving is that I counted how many holes. I decided that I want everything to be balanced out. So in each shelf is 13 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So each shelf, in between each shelves is 13 holes. And only the bottom one is 14 holes. So from far, obviously it looks very even, but yeah, that's the setup that I like right now. The best investment ever. It makes like the job so much easier. Okay, now I have all these holes to fix, and then I'm gonna put up the shelves. Actually some of the necklaces that I have. I'm gonna put nails on this thing and then try to hang all these necklaces here. The thing is, these are not the only necklaces that I have. I do have some more here and some more at my mom's house, which I haven't brought over, so yeah, good luck. Anyway, so this is the setup of the shelving. So my plan is to actually put like bags here, And then here would be all the folding clothes. Unfortunately, these are not the only clothes that I have. I have actually more clothes. I have like some knitwear here. So that's the plan. It's gonna be like bags, it's gonna be like folding clothes, and then it's gonna be hanging clothes. Okay, so I actually have to rush to go to my mom's. So let me just show you the not so much progress. Anyway, there's like construction going on every single weekend. Well, the thing is, I'm home most of the time, and it's like so noisy, and the men are like arguing with each other, like, "Hey, it's gonna be a work in progress." So bags, clothes. The knitwear is on top, and then these are the clothes that I pile. They're not going to be here. Oh, see, listen. Anyway, if I can, okay, let me just close. That doesn't help. Hey guys, so it's the next day. I actually decided to stay overnight at my mom's house because my relatives came over to have lunch. Wow, my mom really had like a cookout. Like she made so much stuff. So, and then when everybody left, there was like so many things to clean up. So I thought, okay, maybe I should like stay over and help out. And then I realized that a lot of things. Is it very loud? Shut up. Okay, there was a lot of. It's like a bright. It's a Sunday, and it's like it's so bright, but the audio might be a bit janky. I don't know. Anyway. So shut up. Yeah, I realized that my mom changed a lot of the way that she put things in the house. Like she preferred things to be here, she preferred things to be there. Anyway, so I actually brought some stuff over which I'm gonna unpack. I brought more clothes. What else? So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, this is the damage so far. These are my short sleeve shirts. I'm actually still figuring out how I want to properly arrange the color so that it wouldn't look like too messy from far, because I actually like to put it by like like white, blue, and then yellow, and then like if this is blue, but because it's a navy blue, if I put it here, then it will look like suddenly there is like like something dark in the middle, so it will not look that nice. So I think I have to kind of like change my strategy a bit, like like even this, I don't know, it looks a bit darker, so probably it should go to the back where it's a bit. This is such a dilemma.